Welcome to Linux Help. Today's topic is how to configure and test RAID 6 on Linux Mint 20. RAID is a data storage virtualization technology that combines multiple physical disk drive components into one or more logical units for the purpose of data redundancy performance improvement. RAID 6, also known as double parity RAID, is one of several RAID schemes that works by placing data on multiple disks and allowing input-output operations to overlap in a balanced way, improving performance. In this tutorial, we'll cover to configure and test RAID 6 on Linux Mint 20. First, check the version of my Linux Mint OS. My Linux Mint version is 20. Now, list the disk. Here I am creating RAID 6 by using SDB, SDC, SDD, SDE disks, and I will fail two disks and I will add the SDF and SDG disks. Now I will create a partitions of those disks. Press N for created partition. Press P for primary. Here enter the size of the partition. Press T for change the type of the partition. Here the RAID hexa code is FD. Press W to write the partition. The same way I am following to create other partitions of the disk. The partition is created. Now list the disk. After the partition creation, I will create a RAID. The RAID is start from MD. I am enter the RAID level is 6, and here I am using 4 partitions. So I am put 4 and I am enter the partition names. Press enter. The RAID is created. Now I am extract the RAID to ext4 file. The RAID is formatted. Now check the details about RAID. Here you can see RAID level is 6 and your working devices is 4. There is no failed devices. Here the RAID is using SDB1, SDC1, SDD1, SDE1 drives. Now I am create a directory to mount a RAID. Now I am going to mount a RAID to the newly created directory. The RAID is mounted. Now check the RAID is mounted or not. Here the RAID is mounted successfully. Now I will add some files to the directory. First I am getting to the directory. Here I will add some files. Now I am edit the file. Right and put the file. Now list the directory. Here the file is added. Lost and found is represent the RAID is working fine. Now I will fail 2 drives and I will add 2 new drives to the RAID. Here the 2 drive is failed. Now check the details of RAID. Here you can see failed devices is 2 and the SDB1, SDD1 drives is failed. Now I will add 2 drives to RAID. Before that I will remove the drives from the RAID. The drives is removed. Now add the 2 new drives. The 2 drive is added. Now check the details of RAID. Here the new drives is added. SDF1, SDG1 is added and there is no failed devices. Now check the RAID folder. Here the data is stored. The data is not corrupted. Now check the disk. Here the SDF1, SDG1 drives is mounted to the RAID. This is the method how to configure and test RAID 6 on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.